Welcome! If you want to control exactly who can see your relationship status on Facebook, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest steps to customize your relationship status privacy using the Facebook app on your PC. Whether you want to share this detail with just a few close friends or keep it completely private, you'll know exactly what to do by the end of this video. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile photo. This will take you straight to your personal profile page. Now, you'll see several options. Click on the one that says About. This section is where all your personal information is stored, including your relationship status. Inside the About section, find and click on Overview. Here, you'll see a summary of your details, and your relationship status will be listed among them. Next to your relationship status, you'll notice a small audience icon. This icon shows who can currently view this information. Go ahead and click on that icon. A menu will pop up with different privacy options like Public, Friends, or Only Me. To set a custom audience, select Custom from this list. This is where you can really fine-tune who gets to see your relationship status. Now, you'll see fields where you can add specific people or lists who can view your status, as well as people you want to exclude. Type in the names or lists that match your preferences. This gives you full control. Maybe you want to share with just your family, or maybe you want to hide it from certain friends. Once you've made your selections, click Save to apply your changes. Your relationship status will now be visible only to the people you've chosen. And that's it. You've just customized who can see your relationship status on Facebook, all from your PC. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.